Welcome back to Nortech. In today's video, we're going to build a simple machine learning project from scratch, with no libraries, no pandas, no sklearn, just pure Python. We'll predict student exam scores based on hours studied. Machine learning is all about finding patterns in data. In this project, we have some data showing how many hours students studied and what scores they got. The goal is to find the relationship between study hours and scores. Mathematically, we'll fit a line that best represents the data. Y equals m times x plus c. Here, x equals hours studied. Y equals score. M equals slope of the line. And c equals intercept. Let's jump into the code. First, we'll create our dataset, hours studied and corresponding scores. Now, we'll calculate the slope m and intercept c using the formula for linear regression. The slope m is calculated as, and the intercept c is. Once we calculate m and c, we get our line equation, something like y equals 6.19x plus 30.33. This means, every extra hour of study increases the expected score by about 6 points. Now let's use this equation to predict the score for a student who studied 8 hours. The output says the predicted score is around 79.8 marks, pretty close to real data. This is how we built a complete machine learning model from scratch using only Python logic, no pandas, no sklearn, just math. You learned how a computer learns from data by finding the best fit line. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to Nortech for more beginner-friendly ML projects. And comment below what project you'd like to see next.